Hey everyone, it's your favorite feline adventurer, the one and only Cat in Boots. And this time, I've whisked your girlfriend away for a perfectly romantic 48-hour getaway to the dazzling city of Nice on the French Riviera. So grab your berets and let's go! Our adventure begins bright and early in the heart of Old Town, or Vieux Nice. The air here is filled with the most incredible smells. We're diving straight into the Cours Soleil market. Look at these colours, from vibrant flowers that make a cat's whiskers twitch with delight, to fresh fruits and local cheeses. It's a feast for the senses. Your girlfriend is already picking out some olives and a fresh baguette for our picnic later. Smart woman. She knows the way to a cat's heart is through his stomach. The energy here is just buzzing, with locals chatting and vendors calling out. It's the real, authentic soul of Nice. After stocking up on goodies, it's time for a legendary stroll. We're on the Promenade des Anglais. This isn't just any walkway. It's a 7-kilometre stretch of pure bliss along the Baie des Anges, the Bay of Angels. The sea is the most incredible shade of blue I've ever seen, even more striking than my own eyes. We're just walking hand in paw, feeling the gentle sea breeze, watching the waves lap against the pebbly shore. Your girlfriend looks so happy, with the sun on her face. And I have to admit, this cat is feeling pretty content too. It's moments like these, simple and beautiful, that you remember forever. Now, for a bit of a climb. But trust me, the reward is worth every single step. We're heading up to Colline du Château, or Castle Hill. It's a bit of a workout, but even with these fabulous boots, it's manageable. You can also take a lift if you're feeling less athletic. And once you reach the top, wow, just wow. The view is absolutely breathtaking. You can see the entire city spread out below you. The red-tiled roofs of the Old Town, the curve of the Promenade des Anglais, and the endless, sparkling Mediterranean Sea. There's a beautiful waterfall up here too, a perfect spot to cool down. We found a quiet bench, unpacked our market treats, and had the most scenic picnic ever. This is the postcard view you dream of. As the afternoon sun starts to mellow, it's time to embrace the quintessential French experience, cafe life. We found a charming little spot in a sun-drenched square, ordered 2 cafés au lait, well, a bowl of milk for me, of course, and some delicious pastries. There's nothing quite like just sitting, watching the world go by, people laughing, kids playing, the gentle clinking of cups. It's the simple pleasures, you know. It's about slowing down and soaking it all in. Your girlfriend and I are just chatting, planning our next move, and enjoying the moment. This is what a holiday is all about. So there you have it, our first 24 hours in beautiful Nice. It's been a whirlwind of sights, sounds, and flavours. From the bustling market to the serene sea and the incredible views from above, Nice has completely charmed us. And the best part, we still have another 24 hours to explore. What should we do tomorrow? Let us know your favourite spots in Nice in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining our little escape. If you enjoyed our adventure, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you don't miss day 2. Until then, stay adventurous.